So welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's a bit late, but I just discovered a really cool feature of MacBook. So I have this MacBook Air M4, but the trick works on every MacBook. So I'll just share you what exactly you have to do and what is it about. Let's start. So as you can see, I have opened Safari and I have opened YouTube on this. Okay, so suppose we click on this video. Now what you have to do, use your two fingers to right click. You'll get these options. Then you have to click again. Then you'll get more options. And then you'll see this enter picture in picture. You click on that. Now what you can see, the video is in the small box and you can do other stuff. You can open, you can do your editing, you can spontaneously watch the video in the side, anywhere on the screen where you want to put it, and you can do your stuff. So you can try this on your MacBook as well. It's a really cool trick. Thank you. Peace out.